Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, let's start. First one is the Korean word for magic, and that is masul. Masul. Okay, next comes the Korean word for magician, and that is masulsa. Masulsa. Okay, now comes the Korean word for pillow, and that is 베개. 베개. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for mirror, and that is 거울. 거울. Now let's see the Korean word for king, and that is 왕. 왕. Okay, now comes the Korean word for queen, and that is 여왕. 여왕. Now let's see the Korean word for chopsticks. Chopsticks are an essential part of Korean food. We all know that, right? So in Korean language, chopsticks are called 젓가락. 젓가락. Okay? Now let's see the Korean word for a dress, and that is 주소. 주소. Now comes the Korean word for socks, and that is 양말. 양말. Now the last one is the Korean word for instant noodles. All those who are a fan of K-pop or K-drama or the Korean culture, they will definitely know the answer to this question, that what are instant noodles called in Korean language. So the answer is ramyeon. We all know that. Ramyeon. Okay? So today we learned 10 very easy Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.